Hi and welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain about the fan blade mechanism in SolidWorks. Let's get into the video. I'm going to select the front plane and click on sketch and go to sketch view and draw a circle whose diameter is going to be 100. And then click on the extrude boss and extrude it to a length of 150. And then give a check mark to it. And now select the reference geometry and select plane, and I'm going to offset the top plane to a distance of 100 and then give a check mark to it. And again I'm going to select another plane, this time with this offset of same 100 but this time with a distance of 100 from the previous plane which I have selected. And I'm going to select the first plane and then click on sketch, and here I'm going to draw a spline. Go to sketch view and click on sketch, and I'm going to draw a spline like this and then exit from the sketch and go to features, and here select the project curve and project this sketch into the cylindrical surface and then give a check mark to it. And now select the plane 4 and then click on sketch, go to sketch view, and here I'm again going to draw another spline and then exit from the sketcher. And now I'm going to the surface tools and connect these two curves by using the boundary surface tool. I'm going to select the first curve and the second curve and then give a check mark to it. And I'm going to use the circular pattern command to pattern these boundary surfaces. Select the surfaces here, and here I'm going to select the circular edge and then give a check mark to it. And now my blade is ready, and I'm going to create a cut extrude for this with a diameter of 50 and then exit from the sketcher and go to the features and select the extruded cut and remove up to next. And now my fan blade is ready, and I'm going to save this. Click as save as, and I'm going to save this in a desktop, and also I'm going to create a new folder named fan mechanism or fan animation, blade animation. And I'm going to rename this file as blade and then click on save. And I'm going to close this one, click on file and then close. And now I'm going to create a new file, select new part and select the front plane and go to sketcher. Here I'm going to draw a circle with a diameter of 50. And now I'm going to extrude this 50 mm diameter circle to a length of 400 and then give a check mark to it. And select the other edge of the circle and go to sketcher, and here I'm going to draw a rectangle, a center rectangle, and select the center point with a with a length and breadth of 500 respectively. And then exit from the sketcher and go to the extruded boss, and let me extrude it to a value of 50 and then give a check mark to it. And now I'm going to save this as support and then click on save. and I'm going to close this one. And now I'm going to open the assembly file, click on File, New, and this time select the assembly and click on OK. And now my assembly environment is ready and I'm going to import my support element as a first. And go to the assembly and again I'm going to click on the insert components. This time I'm going to import my blade. And now I'm going to apply the mate connections, click on mate and I'm going to select this inner circular edge with the outer circular edge and make it a coincident relation, and this top face with the top surface of the blade and another coincident connection, and then give a check mark to it. And now I'm going to select the motion steady. Here I'm going to apply the servo motor here. Select the servo motor and here I'm going to select this top face here. Make sure that your motor type is a rotary motor type, and here you can change the whether you want a constant speed or variable speed with 100 rpm. I'm going to set my playback mode as a loop playback mode, and here I'm going to select the calculate button. And now you see that my blade animation is successfully created using the SolidWorks. Thank you for watching. For more additional videos, please do subscribe my channel.